Hello everyone, welcome to Bharath Divine Tales. Did you know Lord Ganesha has multiple avatars? Watch the full video to learn more. The Ganesha Purana, a Sanskrit text attributed to sage Vyasa, details these avatars and is believed to have been composed between the 12th and 16th century CE. It consists of two parts. Upasana Khanda focuses on devotion, philosophy and worship of Lord Ganesha, while Krida Khanda or Uttara Khanda discusses his valor, courage, incarnations and wisdom. The Ganesha Purana also includes the Ganesha Gita, which shares principles similar to the Bhagavad Gita. Before kingdoms arose and ages of men passed, darkness manifested as pride, greed, anger and attachment. When these evils disrupted the universe's balance, the divine force, Lord Ganesha, emerged not as just a warrior but as a remover of obstacles. The ancient Ganesha Purana describes four powerful avatars of Ganesha, each born in a different yuga to defeat a specific demon and impart eternal lessons to humanity. In the Satya Yuga, as evil began to rise, two powerful demons, Narantaka and Devantaka, terrorized heaven and earth, causing chaos. To restore balance, Lord Ganesha was born as Mahotkata Vinayaka to sage Kashyapa and Aditi. Radiating divine energy and possessing immense strength, he displayed supernatural powers from a very young age. In the climactic battle, Mahotkata confronted the demons and with unstoppable power, he defeated them, restoring peace to the world.
Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha.
This avatar symbolized courage and the destruction of arrogance born from power. As ages passed into the Treta Yuga, evil returned in the form of the mighty demon Sindhu, who, empowered by a boon, conquered kingdoms and spread fear. The gods sought help, leading to the emergence of Lord Ganesha as Mayureshwar, riding a blue peacock. Calm yet fierce, he faced Sindhu, who mocked him. In a fierce battle, Mayureshwara's divine weapons shattered Sindhu's forces, ultimately defeating the demon and ending his tyranny.
Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha.
This avatar teaches that pride and ego always fall before humility and wisdom. Some texts say that at the end of his avatar, Mayureshwara gave his peacock to his brother Kartikeya. In the Dwapara Yuga, a demon named Sindurasura spread chaos and fear. To combat this threat, Lord Ganesha, incarnated as Gajanana, an elephant-headed figure embodying compassion and immense power. Sindurasura underestimated Gajanana, believing brute force would suffice. However, Gajanana used his intelligence and spiritual strength in the fierce final battle, ultimately defeating Sindurasura and liberating the world.
Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha.
Hail Gajanana, wisdom and compassion incarnate. Glory to the Lord.
This avatar reminds us that true strength is not anger or violence, but wisdom guided by compassion. It is also said that Gajanan revealed the Ganesh Gita to King Varenya for the benefit of this world. In the Kali Yuga, marked by conflict and darkness, Lord Ganesha will return as Dhumraketu, a radiant, powerful warrior on a celestial blue horse. This avatar will emerge amidst deception and chaos to vanquish evil, restore righteousness, and guide humanity towards truth, symbolizing hope and the return of divine light even in the dark times.
He has arrived, the purifier, the savior, Dhumraketu.
This avatar seems similar to the 10th avatar of Lord Vishnu we all have heard of as Kalki avatar, set to come into this world towards the end of Kali Yuga. From Mahotkata's strength to Mayureshwar's wisdom, from Gajanana's compassion to the future arrival of Dhumraketu, the avatars of Lord Ganesha reveal timeless lessons for humanity. Every demon they defeated also represents the darkness within us: ego, greed, anger, pride, and ignorance. And that is why Lord Ganesha is not just the remover of obstacles in the world, but the remover of obstacles within the human soul. Comment below and tell us how many avatars were you aware of. Also, look out for the detailed long version coming out soon. Thank you for being with us today. We hope you like this video and will join us for the next one. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel to hear more such stories. Until the next time, take care. Thank you.